Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel FoodyMomm. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I'm preparing chicken tandoori at home, and it is very quick recipe with very simple ingredients that are needed for this recipe. For this we need very few ingredients. 1 serving spoon of mustard oil, that is sarson ka tel, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of tandoori chicken masala, salt to taste, a pinch of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. This is 1 kg of chicken legs, into which I have made these cuts so that marination can be into them and it gives a very nice aroma as well as flavor. I have taken about 1 serving spoon of thick yogurt or curd. You can use your homemade curd also. Now let's start with our recipe. So over here I have taken a big mixing bowl. In the mixing bowl, putting in ginger garlic paste, oil, tandoori chicken masala, chili flakes, all the spices, yogurt, and we'll mix everything well. Putting in half serving spoon of lemon juice. Mix again. Over here our marinade is ready. Putting in the chicken legs. Mixing everything nicely. So over here your chicken is marinated, and we'll keep it in fridge by covering it with a lid for about 24 hours. Now we'll put marinated drumsticks on the grill like so. Once we have set our drumsticks on the grill, now we'll oven it for about 40 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees. After half time, turn the side of the drumstick so that they can be cooked thoroughly. When you are placing your drumsticks into the oven, remember to preheat your oven on 200 degrees and then place your drumsticks inside it and close it. So here are my roasted drumsticks or tandoori chicken, and I really hope that you will like my recipe, and if you do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye bye.